and welcome back to Chloe and Jade in Wonderland. Today,
I'm Jade.
I'm Chloe. Today we're going to be talking about our slimes.
Yeah.
So,
and we're with our cousin Tabitha.
We didn't talk about her in the last video. So, yeah.
No, well, like, she ain't our sister or whatever. That's why we didn't.
Yeah.
So we're going to be talking about slime today.
Yeah.
So, like, Tabitha is going to start talking about your slime, how you
made it and stuff.
No, not like how you made it. Like, what does it feel like? Like, is it disgusting? Is it good? Is it yucky?
Is it like it's like a little bit hard with beads in it?
Is it like disgusting? Is it pokey?
Well, pokey a little bit.
Is it disgusting?
And it's not stretchy a lot.
All right.
Okay,
Chloe.
I'm Chloe. My turn. Okay. So, what I have in my slime, I'm going to tell you all the ingredients in my slime. So I put some Tide contact solution in it and glue, and it's like you can actually it's like so good there that like you can actually make a whole bunch of stuff. So 2 seconds.
All right. Okay, sorry for that. That
Yeah.
was just a 2-second thing. We had to talk in between sister and cousin.
So see, we made a little bubble, and then
Yeah, and we gotta add something. Tabitha wants to add one little thing to her slime.
And it's a little bit gross.
not
It's
a
like-
little bit, it's like disgusting.
Like, look.
Oh, that is
It doesn't stretch.
where?
All right. And
Oh,
this, it's
It's my slime. That's what it is.
I love my slime.
all right, now it's my turn. I'm Jade. I'm the Jade one. This
DJ.
DJ.
Actually,
DJ
I'm the DJ.
DJ Callie.
I have my own DJ room. Remember?
It's both of ours.
Well, you have your own
DJ Callie. DJ
Anyway,
Callie.
she's just a joker. Ah! Watch my hair! All right, doesn't matter.
That was a
Doesn't
good
matter.
one.
All right. And, well, my slime, it's very stretchy. It stretches.
And it makes
good.
bubbles.
No, it doesn't.
Super stretchy. Hey, don't touch me. All right, and,
Still.
well, it like,
Stop putting it next to me, Jade.
stop mixing her name.
They mix up names sometimes.
Well,
Yeah.
anyway, it doesn't make no fart noises. It doesn't, like, poke. Like, but
It does, but like you don't
Wait,
hear
wait.
it.
It's very
so
stretchy.
pretty.
Very stretchy.
Like guys, as you see, like I just want to show them something from this slime.
All right.
Here, take mine.
Now.
So this slime, it does poke.
Like barely though.
Yeah, barely. And it's sticky.
Very.
A lot of sticky.
Mine is the jiggly slime.
Wait,
Jiggly,
wait.
jiggly,
I didn't show them the best part about it.
Fine.
So, as you see, this slime is stretchy and clear at the same time.
Yeah.
And we
We
made
can
it.
see through it.
Yeah.
And it even makes little bubbles.
Yeah, and look how
Thank
cool
you.
that is. Look how cool it is. Like you can literally like jiggle it, like it's jiggly.
Oh,
Yeah.
I took this slime on my cousin.
How rude!
She's a slime stealer. Anyway, that's
my
gonna be the
bunny.
end of our video.
Thank you for watching.
And if you like this video, please press
big
subscribe and comment down below
below.
which slime was the bestest slime. Which one did you like the most? And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to become one of our beach family.
Okay,
And if you liked it, just press the big
Okay.
button.
so
Check button.
and thank you for watching Chloe and Jade in Wonderland. Thank you. See you tomorrow.